2011 Ford F-150 Lariat 5.0 liter V8. Still got the stock catalytic converters there and there. Then it's widened to a single with a resonator. He didn't want it too loud, so we left the resonator on there, or mid muffler, or whatever you guys want to call it. Then it's 3-inch to a 2 1/4 tailpipes, all the way back into 4-inch tips. Right here, and right there, rolled edge. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's the stock muffler that comes on those. Huge beast.